Okay, friends, today I will start ancient Indian history. Okay, so history means the invention of the past. History comes from a word that is historia. Historia means knowledge. Here I have divided history into three parts, that is pre, proto and history. In the pre part there was not any kind of written documents. So friends, the past can be known in two ways. Okay, first is the oral domain and second is the written domain. In prehistory or historical part there was no any kind of written document. So how can we know about the prehistory? We can know about the prehistory from oral domain, any kind of oral domain. Okay, next is the proto part. Here this civilization which I have mentioned here are under proto history. So Vedic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic are under proto period. So Vedic civilization, Neolithic and Chalcolithic, we will discuss this later. But these civilizations are under the proto history part. So this civilization also did not have any kind of written document. So how can we know about the civilization? We can know about this civilization from written documents of their contemporary civilization. I mean that Harappan civilization was undeciphered. It means it did not have any kind of written document. But Harappan civilization can be known from Mesopotamian civilization, which was contemporary with the Harappan civilization. Okay, so after pre and proto there is history. So after the invention of writing, the period is called history. Okay. In this slide we will know about two archaeologists who had their contribution to discover the prehistorical part. Okay, the first one is Robert Bruce Foote, who discovered the first Paleolithic tool. Paleolithic means, friends, the old stone age. Okay, and the next one is Mortimer Wheeler, who had enough contribution to discover the prehistorical part of India. Here the prehistorical period is divided into three parts, that are Old Stone Age, Late Stone Age and New Stone Age. Old Stone Age is also known as Paleolithic period, Late Stone Age is also known as Mesolithic, and New Stone Age is also known as Neolithic age. Here I have mentioned the time duration. You have to remember the time duration of each of the stage. So friends, in this slide I will discuss the Paleolithic age, which is the oldest stone age. It was the earliest stone age of India. Okay, so in this age people lived on hunting and food gathering. It was spread in maximum part of India except the alluvial plain. Okay, in this period people belong to Negrito race. Negrito means black people who were the inhabitants of Southeast Asia, mainly the part of Andaman Nicobar Island. In this period people did not have any kind of knowledge of agriculture or domestication of animal. In the later stage they came to know to use the fire. People belong to this race used unpolished tools made of stone, mainly the quartzite. Quartzite means the stone which consists of silica. So the people in this period is also known as quartzite men. So friend, we have already known the Paleolithic or the Old Stone Age. This age is divided into three parts. So the total time duration of Paleolithic period was 5 lakh BCE to 10,000 BCE. Here Paleolithic age is divided into 3 parts. So the lower part had the time duration 5 lakh to 50,000 BCE, middle part had the time duration 50,000 to 40,000, and the upper part had the time duration 40,000 BCE to 10,000 BCE. And they used different kind of tools, like the lower Paleolithic people used hand axe, chopper, middle Paleolithic people used scraper, upper Paleolithic people used parallel sided blade or bones. So friends, the people of different age of the Paleolithic age was spread in different part of India and Pakistan. We can find the evidence of lower Paleolithic people in Son or Swan Valley in Pakistan, in Heran Valley which is in Gujarat, and Belan Valley which is in UP. Similarly, we can find the evidence of Middle Paleolithic people in Son, Narmada, Tungabhadra in this region. Narmada is in Madhya Pradesh and Tungabhadra is in Karnataka. And the Sanghao cave of Pakistan and Potwar plateau. And the evidence of Upper Paleolithic people is found from mainly the southern part of India, that is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Okay. So friends, in this slide we will start the Mesolithic era, which belong to the Holocene period. Holocene period is the present epoch which started 11,700 years ago. Men lived on hunting, fishing, food gathering, and later they started domestication of animals. Tools got moderation in this period. Tools were microlith. Microlith means the tools were made up of one kind of material. Okay, the size of the tools became smaller, and pottery was absent in this period. We can get the evidence of pottery only two places, that is in Gujarat and UP. Okay, the initiation of rock painting or rock art started during this period. The first rock painting was Shuhagi Ghat, which is in UP. So friend, we have seen that the use of microlith rock started during this Mesolithic era. So we get the evidence of microlith rock from Bhimbetka, Kathoria, Jaora. These are in the central part of India. The domestication of animal also started during this period, and rock art painting also started during this period. We can get the evidence of Mesolithic era from different parts of India. Important parts among them are Adamgarh, which is in MP, and Bagar, which is in Gujarat. Bagar is important for two reasons. First one, it is the largest site of Mesolithic era, and second one, the earliest evidence of domestication of animal is found in this region. And also we will discuss about the Mahadaha, which is in UP. It was famous as it discovered the bone ornaments. Okay, in this slide we will discuss Neolithic age, which has the time duration 6000 BCE to 1000 BCE. It is also known as Neolithic Revolution by Gordon Childe because the food production started during this period. We can get the evidence of fruit, ragi, kulathi, and we can get the evidence of polished tools. Okay, and invention of pottery also began during this period. Apart from this, two other important characteristics of this period was the emergence of self-sufficient village communities was noticed during the Neolithic era, and division of labor based on sex and age also started during this period. In this slide, we will discuss some excavated sites of Neolithic period. Okay, these are Burzahum, where the dogs buried with their master. Apart from this, Piklihal, Buddhihal, Tekalakota, these all are in Karnataka. Next is Belan Valley, which is the most important site of this period because it is important because three reasons. First, the earliest evidence of pottery is found in this region. We can get the evidence of all the three ages like the Paleolith, Mesolith and Neolith in the Belan Valley. Okay, and we can get the evidence of Neolithic, Chalcolithic and Iron Age from this Belan Valley. Apart from this, another important site is Mehrgarh, which is in Pakistan. It is also known as Great Basket of Balochistan because of its climate. And earliest evidence of agriculture is also found from here. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Thank you.